The Director of Public Prosecution is seeking the death penalty against the man in Clarendon accused of taking 5 of his family members' life. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Office of Director of Public Prosecution is seeking the death penalty against Roshane Barnett, the man accused of killing a mother and her 4 children in Cocoa Peace, Clarendon last week. Barnett had the notice served on him when he appeared before Justice Leighton Pusey in the Supreme Court on Tuesday. He is yet to secure legal representation. Barnett of Wilson's Run in Trelawney and Papine in St. Andrew had been charged with 5 counts of murder. The bodies of 31-year-old Kemisha Wright, a practical nurse student, 15-year-old Kimanda Simit, 11-year-old Shara Lee Simit, and 5-year-old Rafaela Simit, and 23-month-old Kishan Henry, all of New Road, Cocoa Peace, Clarendon District in Chapelton, Clarendon, were discovered inside their home with lacerations all over their bodies on Tuesday, June 21st. Barnett reportedly fled the area to Wilson Run in Trelawney, where he was apprehended by the police. He was charged based on a caution statement he gave to the police. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.